INDIE provides a variety of apps and tools that you can install to enhance the learning experience. To access the App Center, go to the Admin menu in the left bar and click on App Center. The App Center is organized into categories and has tiles for all available LMS apps. You can also use the search function to easily find the app you're looking for. Once you find the app of your choice, press the Install button. If you want to learn more about the app before installing it, you can press the Help button, and a pop-up from the Help Center with more information will open. The App Center is also where you can start configuring the apps you install. To do that, press the cog button and start setting up your app. If you want to uninstall an app, click the Uninstall button. The change is immediate. As an admin, you can see an overview of all the apps you have installed. To do that, you need to visit the Admin tab of the Home area. Now you know how to install, uninstall, and configure apps in INDIE. Sign up today for the 14-day free trial and start creating your first course.